How to manifest anything, I mean anything you want, in 24 hours or less. Believe it. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, listen to me. This is a very important video. If you can feel it, if you can see it in your mind, it must exist at some level of reality, or perhaps in a parallel universe. Whatever it is that you desire already exists. It is in existence now. Everything that you or I could ever want is already present in the infinite field of unlimited potential and possibilities. And it's simply a matter of drawing whatever it is you desire into your reality right now. Not a week from now, not a month from now, not a year from now, right now, in 24 hours or less. Now, I know it sounds crazy. I know it sounds over the top, but listen to me. I had a client who was put in jail. And he called me, he said, Robert, I am innocent. Nothing went wrong. I didn't do anything. But they're looking at 5 to 7 years in jail. What can I do? And so over the phone, I gave him this special technique that I'm going to share with you. That night, at 9 o'clock at night, when the courts are closed, when everybody's home in bed, that night, the charges were dropped and he was released from jail. How about one of my clients who was focusing on attracting and manifesting more money in her life? She maybe had a couple $100 to her name. Within a minute, she, in one side of the minute, she was worth $200 or less. A minute later, she was worth over $1 million. That's how fast it can happen. Whatever you desire. I had a client, she hadn't seen her boyfriend, her ex, in over 15 months. No contact. Nothing. Nada. She said, Robert, this is impossible. I said, use this technique. Within 24 hours, he called her. This really works. You see, high flyers, time is just a figment of our imagination. It doesn't take the universe any more effort to create the sun, the stars, and the moon than it does to create what you desire. So I want you to keep this in mind, write it down. Where your attention goes, energy flows. You have the infinite field of potential. Your attention must tap into what already exists. The thing that you desire that's already manifested in the infinite field of potential. So high flyers, listen to me now. The more attention you give, without doubt, without counter thoughts in your brain, the stronger the invisible force of the universe will help you manifest something that right now you believe only exists in your thoughts and your feelings. But remember, high flyers, if it exists in your thoughts and your feelings, at some level, it exists in reality. It is already present. So the next is your imagination. If you can see it in your mind, if you have a clear picture of what it is you desire to manifest, if you can see it clearly and you feel it in your body, it's not just a matter of seeing it in your mind. You have to feel it in your body. If you can see it in your mind, if you can feel it in your body, within 24 hours or less, you can manifest it in your life. High flyers, St. Augustine once said, "How can the past and future be? How can it even exist? If the past no longer exists and the future is not yet." In other words, what has happened in your life is really, it doesn't exist anymore. It doesn't exist. It doesn't have relevance. And your future hasn't happened. So what you have is now. And during this moment of now, everything that you desire is already present. So the key, high flyers, is this moment of now. If you can see it, if you can feel it, if you can imagine yourself living it, it exists. And in this moment of now, it exists this very moment. That's very, very important. It exists this very moment. And you have the power to tap into it, to unfold it, and draw it into your life through your attention. And I'm going to tell you how to focus your attention on what you desire in just a moment, because you're going to learn how to amplify your intention in a very, very big way. And that's the secret to manifesting in 24 hours or less. Everything past, present, and future exists in this current moment. Everything and anything you desire, it already exists within source energy. That's amazing. It already is present within source energy. In the book of Matthew, it states, "With God, all things are possible." In other words, within source energy is the seed of all possibility. Everything you desire is already present in this seed. You could say, with God, all things are present, or with God, all things are possible. They're one and the same. Now, nothing to you is impossible, because it already is. And you are a co-creator of your reality, working in harmony with the infinite field of potential, the universe. So high flyers, our brains are phenomenal in that they process millions and millions and millions of bits of information every second. If we can increase the number of bits of information, the amount of focus that our brain has toward what we desire, if we can increase our focus, where your intention goes, energy flows. That means what you desire is flowing into your life, and oftentimes instantly, or 24 hours or less. So high flyers, the key for you and I is to get into alignment, get into a perfect alignment with what we desire, with increased focus, because we have all these millions of bits of information that our brain is processing every single second. Now, if that's the case, and it is, then if we can focus more of that, and we can be in alignment with what we desire, what we manifest comes quickly and with much, much less effort. You already have what you desire. So the key is to tap into the vibration, to see it in your mind, to feel it in your body, and to believe it in your soul. See it, feel it, believe it, see it, feel it, believe it. Write that down below here if you want. See it, feel it, believe it. Let that be your mantra and your formula for manifesting quickly within 24 hours or less. Now, high flyers, we need to get rid of words like want and hope and I just want, I just hope. That's not alignment. It's not coming to you. Listen to me. It's not coming to you. It's already here. It's not coming. It's already here. It's already present. High flyers, join me now. Begin this exercise of manifesting what you desire in 24 hours or less by closing your eyes and connecting to source energy. So write that down as number one. Closing your eyes, relaxing, connecting to source energy. Whatever you believe source energy to be, the source of the creation of the universe, the source of everything in your life, connect to that energy. Put yourself first in alignment with that energy. Next, high flyers, we want to calm our interior spirit. We want to cut out the mind chatter and clutter. So if you're in a room that's filled with clutter, before you begin, clear up the clutter. Turn off the television. Turn off the radio. Turn off your cell phone. Disconnect your Wi-Fi. Put yourself in an environment where there is very little clutter and you are just at peace. So you are sitting there, your eyes are closed, you're in a clutter-free environment. As thoughts come into your mind, you just let them float out, just let them float away. Now, by doing this, because so much of our brain use is processing visual information, you will increase your focus. You will intensify your thoughts. You will increase the intensity of your feelings, your beliefs, which will lead to your outcome. But next, we're going to practice a specific technique. This is very specific and it works. It's designed to take you from up here to down here, where you are nice and calm and relaxed and connected. But more importantly, where energy is flowing through you. Energy from source energy is flowing through you and manifesting what you desire in 24 hours or less. So in the East High Flyers, there's a technique called tattva breathing. And you can breathe to enliven yourself, to wake yourself up, or you can breathe to focus, to bring yourself down to a wonderful state where your interior spirit is relaxed, focused, and calm. So first, high flyers, you will take a couple of cleansing breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Now your nostrils in tattva breathing are divided between what we call the Ida and the Pingala. And the Pingala wakens you up. It's solar energy. It heats you up. The Ida cools you down. It slows you down. And it allows more of your brain and your mind and your energy field to deeply and completely focus. Here's how it works. It's very simple. So while you're relaxing, you're simply going to push your right nostril closed. Breathing in through your left nostril. Holding it. Slowly out through the mouth. Again, in through the left nostril. Slowly out through the mouth. Now, as you are breathing out of what we call the moon breath or the left nostril, you are slowing down. I'm having to kind of pick myself up right now intentionally. Okay, so to recap, what you've done is you've cleared the clutter in your environment. There's less clutter. And you have put yourself into a nice, comfortable chair, and you're relaxed. You do a couple deep breaths, and then you begin breathing through the moon breath by plugging your right nostril in through the nose and out through the mouth. You are relaxing and quieting your interior spirit, okay? And you are spending 5-10 minutes just connecting to infinite source energy. There comes a time in this technique, high flyers, when you just know that you know. I mean, you're in a deep state of relaxation. Nothing is troubling you. There are no other thoughts in your mind. Your body is slowing down. Your mind is slowing down. Everything is coming into beautiful harmony. And at that moment, you're going to create a beautiful white screen in front of your mind. Your eyes are closed. You're breathing out of your left nostril. And you begin to look at this white screen. And in the white screen, like a beautiful motion picture, is what you deeply desire, what you will manifest in 24 hours or less. Look at it. Maybe it's a new motorcycle. You see it there. But then feel yourself being drawn to the screen, and enter the screen in your mind. Get on your new motorcycle or in your new car or with the love of your life or whatever it is, and feel it, see it, feel it, believe it, see it, feel it, believe it. Now you have all the focus of your mind, except for what it takes to keep your body alive, is now focused on connecting to the infinite field of potential and what already exists. And you're there. You're in it. It's happening. And the universe is matching it. It is giving it. It is providing it. High flyers, I'm not exaggerating when I say that I've had people do this exercise, and after waking up, after opening their eyes, received a phone call and got what they wanted. You're going to get what you desire when you practice this special 24-hour or less exercise. Now, after you have seen yourself and feel yourself with the love of your life, with all the money you desire, your new motorcycle, your new boat, whatever it is, high flyers, when you're done, simply say, as I desire, so it is. As I desire, so it is. 24 hours or less. Send me a message. Share with me your victories. I'm excited for you. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.